We are thankful to the Lord for enabling us to visit this place here in Siniluan. It's a mountainous area beside UP. And this is Tatay Rolly Castillo, the brother-in-law of Mama Mary Garcia. That is Marco Apollo Antonio Deacon. And we have Pastor Arman Cortez there. And that is Entoy, the caretaker, exceptionally brave caretaker and be diligent caretaker. Yes. And that is Brother Raymond Garcia with Preacher Mario. Where's Preacher Mario? Mario Guerrero, sent out to Roger Elmido's church. So folks, continue to pray for this property. Medyo maluwang ito at this is 2,000 square meter, 20,000 square meter, 2 hectares. Yes, and the Lord has touched the heart of the Castillos, yes, and Garcias by God's grace to have this property used for the ministry. Amen. And so that is to be cared of by Bethany Siniluan under Pastor Arman Cortez. So folks, thank you very much. Continue to pray. God bless.